subscribe. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I was just at a store and discovered a bubblegum flavored cake. Shout out to my Romanian audience. Can you see that? That looks good. Bro, that looks so good. I can't wait to try it. It's a new flavor. I've never tried it before. That is crazy. So, how are you doing today? Look at the package, it's so funny. Oh, wow, bro. That smells so good. Okay, so this is it. Alright. Alright. Okay, I don't know how to show this. Okay. Bro. Mmm. Mmm. This is so crazy. It has like pink and the green cream. And surprisingly enough, it actually tastes like bubblegum. Like when most things people say, they're made of bubblegum, like flavored, you don't really feel it. But this has actual bubblegum flavor. It's insane. Mmm. Wow. I will give this hmm. I mean, I don't really like eating stuff that has bubblegum flavor because it just feels like I'm eating gum. But as a bubblegum flavored snack, this is pretty good. I would give it like 8.5 out of 10. This is amazing. So thanks for watching and subscribe, and I'll see you next time, and let me know what I should review next.